Hello guys, welcome back. I come back again with yet another very important, nice video for you guys. So I often at times get questions like, how do I identify a trend? How do I know the trend is going up? Because in all my videos, I keep saying, don't trade against the trend. Make sure the trend is your friend. In all the time, make sure trend is your friend, guys. And I repeat, trend is your friend. You don't want to trade against the trend. So I'm gonna take you through to what I do on a daily basis when I wake up, get to the charts. Before I even do anything, I do this, guys. I do this. So stay tuned, follow through the video. Don't take shortcuts, don't skip, because you're gonna miss out critical points. So welcome to the channel, guys. If you are retaining a follower, thank you very much for the support. Thank you for following the channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome, and please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button, because here we share life-changing strategies. These are the strategies that are gonna change your life. I can bet on it, and I can guarantee that. So after this video, I would like you guys to discuss what you think on the chat section. If you find this valuable, please share with a friend, because it may also change their life. So let's get to it. Here with me, I have Crash 1000 index open, and there's a daily time frame. So what I do is, when I get started, I get focused on where the market is right now. This is the current day candle has like 15 hours 14 minutes to elapse. Unfortunately, that's due to our time zone here. When you wake up at 6, you find that the daily candle is almost halfway through. But anyway, such is life. So let's get to it. What do I do when I wake up? The first thing I need to mark, please get this straight. The first thing I mark when I get started is, I need to know what were my previous daily high and my previous daily low. Those are very crucial psychological points. Maybe you are wondering what I mean by psychological points. It's basically the points where the market is likely to react to, like your support and resistance. Those are very crucial psychological points. So I start by marking my daily high. So looking at this, I'm concentrating on the previous candle, not the current one, guys. The previous candle, that's the candle for yesterday. So I'm gonna mark my high right at the top of the peak right there, and then what I do is, right at the peak, I need to change color, because what I do is I color code all my candles and all my lines, so that I know which is which. So this one, I always make it magenta or purple, if you call it, the shade of purple, and I make it dotted, so that at any time frame, it doesn't matter whether I'm on the 1 minute or I'm on the what, I'll be able to quickly spot that. And then I'm gonna go to my daily low. I'm also gonna make market with a purple line right there. So now you can see that we've marked our 2 points right there. These are very important. Keep track of those points, guys. And then these are the only two I mark on my daily time frame. And then I'll go back to a lower time frame, in this instance, which is H4. This is where I begin drawing my support and resistance. But then I don't like to draw them in a chart like this. The candlesticks won't give me a perfect support and a perfect resistance. Why? Because most people will tell you draw them at the peak, but myself, I use the body. I don't use the peak, I use the body, where the candle closed. That's where I draw my support. So to do that, make sure you change your chart, guys, to a line chart like this. make sure you draw you change your type to a what you call, sorry, to a line chart, because the line chart will show you at the peak right there. This is where the market reversed, and this is where the candle closed. It's not the peak, it's where the candle closed. So I'm gonna mark that because it shows that's a point where there was a great reversal for H4, great reversal. So I'm also gonna change that. My H4 trend line, support and resistance, I make them red, and I don't use a broken line. I just use a solid line like that. See, I just use them like that, and then I need to identify what I need to keep identifying more points. I need to keep identifying more points. So I can see here. Somewhere here. I had a great market rejection. Great market rejections. Why do I say that? Why do I say that? The market reversed here, where my cursor is, that's point number 1. And then it reversed again here, that's point number 2. So, if I zoom in, you see it perfectly. It touched 1, it touched 2, and this is H4. Even here, it went through and came back, so this is still on the zone. It's still on the zone. Even this one, even though it didn't touch, it was still on the zone. It was still on the zone. So I need to identify more. So I can see there was a retracement here. There's also this candle here, which also happened somewhere here, like the market played around. This shows an area of strong rejections right there. See? Now after I put my line, you see that the market tested this line here. 1, it tested it again here. 2, it tested here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Imagine, that's a very, very, very strong line, guys. There, very strong, very strong. So let's identify another one. We don't want to clutter our chart, by the way. So I'm gonna plot this 2 down here. We don't want a cluttered chart, so only mark the crucial point. So I'm gonna mark this one also. So these lines, you need to update them time and again, depending on where the market is moving through. So make sure you check. If it breaks this line that I'm just drawing going down, then I'll need to update at the bottom here, at the bottom right there. So yeah, well, I guess we did justice to this one. So now I go to my H1. Change back to my H1. Come on. Yes, still updating. Sorry about that, because yeah. Why is it taking so long? My internet there. Oh, there you go. I've changed my M1. So what do we notice on our M1? We need to pick those points. If it touches more than once, then it's a good point. If it touches more than once, then it's a good point. So I'm gonna plot another line right here. And then because it's M1, guys, I changed the color. To aqua. But you can just use any colors that you like. It doesn't matter, as long as you can keep track of this is my 1 hour, this is my. So let's see what happened here. There was a strong resistance right here. There was also a strong resistance right here. Here there was a retest, went back and broke a little bit and came back again, start playing, and there is also this point right here. This is a very strong H1 support, guys. It's very strong, and also right here and right here. See, that's how you identify your line. So let's pick one more. Let's see if we can identify one more. There is also this point at the top right here. There's also this point here. So if you notice this point, there was a rejection right here. There was also here on the far right, far left of the screen, there were 2 points that rejected right there, and also 2 points that. So this makes it 6. That's how you do it. Let's see if I can find another one. I don't want to clutter my chart, so I just mark only crucial points. So this, I'll just move again to M30. I'll move to M30 and try identify those points. So there's also this zone here, right here. You see, it's like it's on the 1 hour, but it's not on the 1 hour. It passed the 1 hour and then it came back to the 30 minutes. You see, here it is again, right here. Here it is, and then there's 1, there's 2, and then also there's 1 here. So I'm gonna mark that point. So because this is my 30 minutes, I make my 30 minutes support and resistance green, or any shade of green. Okay, so I'll make mine green. Yes, I'll make mine green like that. I'll make mine green like that. And then where can I get another point? I see another point right here. Not you. Yes, I want you. I see another point right here. You see, got a point here. We've got a point here. We've got a point here. That's 3. So that's pi 5. That's pi 5. Yeah. So where can I? Can you see any another one? Let me zoom out again to see the market, white market on the full screen. Okay, these 2 points right here. I can mark this point. I can mark these points. You just need to pick right there. Perfect. See these 2 points right here. And then when you move back to the screen, where my cursor is this point, this point, this point. There's a strong point, guys. The strong point. There's also something here. Strong point. So yeah. That's how I draw my lines, guys. That's how and then now I can change back to my candlesticks. Change back to your candlesticks and see what's happening. Remember the purple ones, these dashed purple ones is your previous day high and low. So right now where the market is our previous daily low, and the market is still playing around here, playing around here. It hasn't decided what's gonna happen. So if I switch on to H1, you would notice there's a strong rejection right where the line is. There's a very strong rejection. So what is likely to happen is, depending on how this ends, we're gonna see the market. Oh, I moved that line by mistake. I'm not supposed to have moved that line. Just there. Yes, just there. So we're gonna see the market going up like that to probably retest the H4, or even go further, break this, and then head back to those top H4 before it can continue coming down. Or it can either come to this H4 and then come rallying down. It depends on what's going to happen at the end of this candle. So you can observe and see what happens. Then you can comment on the comment section on what you think. Do you think this might help you identify the trend or not? If there's anything you'd want me to share with you in terms of the forex concepts, please do share, and I'll try my all best to share with you guys, to make a video on you. Yeah, I hope you get what I mean. So when you see these lines, look how the market respected these lines. We have our daily. This is where the market rejected. It went up, retested our daily low, came back again, retested it again. The reason why I'm saying the market might go up is it tried a couple of times to break this point, like 1, 2, it's retesting again. This is the third time it's retesting this point. So if this candle, depending on how this candle closes, would get an uptrend, but then your entry point should be up at the top of this candle there. See this line that I'm putting right now? I'm gonna change its color to dark orange. Why put my didn't change color? Come on. Yeah, I didn't change color. Sorry about that. This color, follow that line that I'm about to change the color. It's which one should I use? Which one should I use? I need something brighter and different. I can use orange. Okay, this orange line, guys. This is your point of target to see whether it's gonna go up. As long as it passes this rejection, above this rejection, you can go in to the next strong resistance, either the H4 or the H1, depending on how your trading plan. So you can see, this is how you identify the trend. There was a strong rejection at the top daily high, and then you got this, it rejected down to this H4. So what does this tell you guys? What does this tell you? This is a strong rejection. Then the market, this is a strong indication of market change. So you would see this. If you don't know where to enter, this is where your indicators come in play. Go check on your indicators, whether your indicators give you an entry on 1 minute, so that you know the perfect entry. This will be a sniper entry in one of you when you check on your strategy. This will give you what you call. It will do what your indicators are doing at this point. So since this is crash, you will see that all your indicators will be overbought, and then you wait for that confirmation. You wait for that selling confirmation that we did in any of the strategies that you use. If the market is here, where my cursor is, if the market is here, oh, where did that go? Sorry about that. I zoomed too much. Let me zoom out. Center this guy. Yeah, center. When your market is here, and then you get these strong rejections, what do? Check what your indicators are saying. You find right at this point, all your indicators are saying, they're giving you a buy indication, like it's time to buy. And then you buy the market, you ride it up. Then you exit where you want to exit. The market will respect these points that you just drew. Just try it out. Let me know what you think, and then we'll take it from there. The next video I'm gonna do is now not on the support and resistance, but with the support and resistance now we can draw the trend line, our channel. How do we draw our channel? How do we know it's the perfect channel? How do you know you didn't force the channel? The next video will be on that. Be on the lookout, guys. Be on the lookout. With that being said, happy trading, guys. Hope this makes you improve your trading experience drastically. If you are new to this channel, again, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell button, because we share exciting and profitable strategies here daily. This will change your life. With that being said, goodbye.